In this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks bank not connecting issues quickly. Yeah, if your bank account isn't linking, transactions aren't updating, or you keep getting connection errors, it can be really frustrating, especially when you rely on QuickBooks to track your finances. But most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you check a few key things. So, first, verify your bank login credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct, because even a small mistake can stop QuickBooks from connecting to your bank account. Next, log in to your bank's website directly. Yeah, this helps confirm that your account is active, there aren't any alerts or security holds, and everything is working properly. After that, refresh your bank connection inside QuickBooks. Go to the banking section and manually update the connection to resync your transactions. Also, check for bank server issues. Sometimes your bank may be undergoing maintenance or experiencing downtime, which temporarily blocks QuickBooks from connecting. And yeah, make sure your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and improve compatibility with banking systems, which often resolves connection problems. Finally, if the issue continues, disconnect and reconnect your bank account in QuickBooks. Most of the time, these steps will restore the connection and get your transactions syncing again without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.